Speak into the microphone.
Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel.
Two Brothers Outdoors.
This is our nature mic. Alright, so today's objective is to get this humongous log out of here to my mill. And this 16-foot log out of here so we can make a couple of headers for the long span on for the opening to roll logs in. Alright guys, the black flies are in their glory this morning.
Oh good Lord.
The weather's not bad, so we're going to try to get this log out and get it down to the mill. Let's get
Rolling, sawing, picking up something. That's a big boom.
Here, let me assist you with that. Them stupid log tapes. That was a close one.
Well, the wedge is at it.
Alright, so is that a rock?
No. It's a log. Alright, so we gotta get this one out tomorrow.
We're going to save the rest.
In case there's a problem in this one, we can't get good because it's got a bulge right there.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I see where it's leaning up against something right here.
But
It's got an
anyway,
indentation too.
we need to get 3 good 2x8s out of it.
The other one's 8 foot.
The other one's 8 foot.
Cool.
I got a guy that wants some 1x12, so that'll suffice for that.
Oh, darn.
You guys got any 1x12s? I said, well, we did.
Where'd they go?
All right, we'll go out and we'll come out and get these out of here tomorrow morning.
Okay.
Just got one little problem.
What's the matter?
I'm becoming a tree monster. Ah!
Hey, look at that. That's a new sleeve tattoo. It looks like a tree.
Go get a saw, get my arm off.
Oh, man. Where did you get that?
The bark came off the tree when it exploded.
Oh, my goodness.
All right, guys, so we're looking at trees to take down, looking for some white pines. This one right here is out. We got woodpecker holes all the way up it, which means that tree is full of rot. Now, I got a question for you. This tree right here. I don't know if you can tell in the video or not, but it goes like this. And it's a big tree. That's a 60, 70 foot tree. Which way would that tree fall? Because the bottom's leaning this way and the top is leaning this way. Leave it in the comments below. Okay guys, so today's objective, I got to move this log over there. Tim will bring that down on his log arch when he gets up here. I parked my log arch against this tree to give it a little more pressure when I'm trying to pull this long log out. I've hauled 14 footers out on this arch. This is a 16 footer, and I don't know if we're going to be able to do it or not on the arch. We're going to try. If we can't, we'll bring the tractor up here and drag it out with the tractor and deal with whatever mud we get on it when we get it out. We are in the middle of May. Hinge cut is right over there. I've been watching the trail for little tiny deer tracks because it's time for the mamas to have their babies. And I haven't seen any yet, but I'm sure it will be happening pretty soon. Through trapping and hunting, we kept the coyote population down to a minimum. But I guess fawns are susceptible to just about anything. Fox, fisher, bobcat, coyote. Coyote's not the only thing that attacks them. But we've given plenty of treetops and brush piles for the does to hide their young in. So hopefully, until they're up and running around, they'll be safe. All right, let's see if we can get this log out. That's the kind of stuff will make your babies be born naked. Alright guys, we're using the log arch and this chain to try to roll the log up on top of the stump. And once we get on top of the stump, we can get it out from between these two trees. Get it out of here. Almost there. Be careful. It's rolling. Rolling. Alright, we got it. Go ahead. You gonna drop it all the way down? No. Stop right there. Alright. Unroll it. Too bad your log arch couldn't get over it. I know. That's it. Okay, we'll pull forward. Slowly. Try to lift it forward on that log. Pick the bot, pick it up. Right, just be careful with that log is. All the chain, all the pins. All you gotta do is just hook the hook on the bottom. little bit. That's it. That's all the cable I got. All right. Whoa. Let's pull the chain off. Undo it. Hook the chain back just a tiny bit further. Okay. All right, now do it. No, it's coming out again. That's something. Lock in. Don't let it pivot on you. Right now it can fall to the right over there and be fine. There you go. Okay, there you go. You wanted it. Now I can back over it. Yes! Alright, we just found an old deer skeleton over there. Here's the head. The head's a buck, and I'll show you why I know. I want you to pay attention now at this skull. Tell me what you see in the comments. This deer was either poached before or after season, or it was a lost deer that was wounded and they found it when it was too late. Tell me why I think that's speculation. Leave it down in the comments. Alright guys, so Tim brought this nice 18-inch log down, and he's going to start sawing that up into 2x8s for the building on his mill. I'm going to go back up and grab another log. I'm going to stand around here until he fires up his mill. Gotta remember to turn the gas on. Gas tank is below the engine, so the fuel pump has to pull it up. If he shuts it off before he shuts his engine off, it'll hold the gas up in there. Alright, he's gonna start sawing this log, and I'm gonna go up and grab another one. We'll be back in a few. Just got back with another log. I see Tim taking his mill apart.
Oops.
What?
Oops.
I see a belt laying there. What happened?
Yeah, don't go here.
You forgot to take...
I let the cat get too tall.
You can only go 11 inches, and that's a lot.
Duh.
Well,
live and learn.
that's why he's flying solo, so he can learn.
It's all new.
Years ago, when I was learning how to fly, so I'm coming in for a landing, I could keep feeling the instructor touching the stick. He's telling me I'm doing a great job, and I'm like, well, you keep touching the stick, which means he's making corrections for my mistakes. And that's what I'm doing with Tim. I keep touching the stick.
No, you're not. You just left.
Well, I know. I'm letting you fly solo. I had to fly solo on mine. Eventually, I made all the mistakes and learned from them. You'll be okay. You just learned you gotta take the wood off. Okay, so we're back together here, and he's getting ready to finish sawing this out. He's going to leave the cant there to put the flitches against. I've done the same thing with my mill. Knocked the belt off. You can go 11 inches between the throat and the blade, which is quite a bit. But if you're not paying attention, first thing to hit it is the belt. Cannot believe how quiet that engine is. Of course, it may be noisier once we put the building around it. Alright, so he's getting ready to cut his last 2 flitches. Got a nice pile of 2x8s over here out of that log. Still got more to go right here. So he's got maybe 3 there. Alright, last 2 flitches. Gonna be a little bit of wane, but that ain't too bad. It's for our own use anyway. Alright, so he had one offcut that was a little too thick, so he was going to see if he could get some out of it. So he threw it up there with the cant. Last cut, we should see what he gets out of it. Alright, so we got this one left here. But we ended up getting 13 2x8s. That ain't bad at all. That's not too shabby for one log. This is 8 inches. I just leave it like that. The wane ain't gonna hurt nothing.
Like that?
Yeah, why not? Okay, we're gonna make some 1x12s out of this log. It's got a big hump in it like a whale. Don't know what that hump is. Don't know what it's gonna look like in there, but we'll soon find out. Not bad looking 1x's, but we got a rotten knot right here, so there's going to be like 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 of them that are going to have a bad spot in them. Yeah, I think the next couple boards are going to get kind of ugly on the end right here. But that's okay, just need short pieces. Alright guys, final flitch. Another busy Saturday cutting lumber. The rest of Tim's building. Coming right along. He's liking that new mill. Alright guys, we're going to conclude this video right here. We got out 3 nice logs today, and then we remembered that we had to have a couple more 12 footers and a couple of 10-foot 2x6s. So, oops. We come back up here and revisited this hemlock we knocked down for a 12-foot log, right?
Yeah.
Last week. Got another 12-foot log out of it, no problem. Kind of mucky right here. Tim got his shoes all dirty and tried to suck his shoes off his feet. It's just the way it is.
Bleep, 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 bleep.
Yeah. All right, guys. Thanks for coming along with us today. We appreciate you subscribing to our channels and watching our videos. And if you're not a subscriber to our channel, hit that subscription button. There's a reminder right there.
Thumbs up, guys. We appreciate them, each and every single one of them. You wouldn't believe how they help out our channel. So please keep smashing that like button for us.
Really helps out the channel.
Notifications bell. Click that, baby. You don't want to miss any of our future videos. And if you have, you can go back to our playlist and see 10 of our most favorite ones we like.
How long have these black flies been out?
2 weeks. Six, like a month.
They only last for like 2 weeks, maybe 3 at the most. But boy, they're
Not
annoying
this
when
year.
they're out. All right, guys. Until the next one, we will catch you later.
Bye-bye now.